So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Snapchat on two devices at the same time. So it's pretty simple. Actually, you can use Snapchat in multiple devices at the same time since it's already a thing you can do. But the first thing you want to do is log out from all devices actually, and then you will have to actually log in into your main device so that the rest of the device can follow from their authentication in the main device. So just log out and then just log in basically using your main account, and then there you go, and then log in your second account basically using your other phone. So it will have a verification here in your main account, where here in the main account you'll be able to verify that this is you, and there you go. So this helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.